So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Instagram Reels are just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, Instagram Reels is one of those applications that Instagram has made. It's not an application, but it's a feature within Instagram that allows you to see all these different videos and features that are going around. If for some reason you go into Instagram Reels and it's not working or there's issues going around with it, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure there's not an issue within your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Sometimes you may just have to double check your internet connection or your Wi-Fi connection. So go ahead, make your way over to your Wi-Fi connection settings, your cellular connection settings that we have right here. And all you're going to want to do is make sure those options are configured properly, because again, if your Wi-Fi connection is not set up or your cell connection is not set up, if you're on airplane mode or you have no signal, that can probably be one of the issues. So try that out, and that could end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. You can also try going inside of your App Store or your Google Play Store. So go inside of one of these applications, and then you want to go and basically search up Instagram. So go ahead and search up Instagram just like this. And what you're going to want to do is you want to update your Instagram application. If your Instagram app is severely outdated, like it hasn't been updated in a very long amount of time, that can probably be one of the main issues you're going to run into. So go through, try updating your Instagram app, and for a lot of people that might end up fixing the problem as well. If Instagram Reels is still not working, what you can also try doing is going to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites are basically going to show you what's up and what's down in terms of the servers. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to this website and it'll show you exactly what is up and what's down in terms of the servers. And all you're really going to have to do here is basically just wait it out. If it's on this list, just wait it out until the Instagram ends up fixing their problems. And that really is all you're going to have to do at that point. So that pretty much covers that up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.